Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. This is your general and love reading bago mag-end ang March. Hahabol tayo. Okay, so yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And yeah, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, yan, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo pwedeng mag-message and yeah, pwedeng puntahan si Kuya Dingsi. Okay, kung gusto nyo. Sa pag-uusap nyo na lang. Okay? And ano pa ba? Yung ating second YouTube channel. Yeah, don't forget na mag-subscribe and follow. Oo. Nasa description box below yung akin pong link. And syempre, pagdating sa ating mga items. So, yan sila. So, protection. Protection from evil eye and love bracelet and granter and yung ating cord cutting. So, yes, that's available. All. Pero si granter is made to order po. Okay? So, Capricorn, how are you? Kamusta ang mga Capricorn dyan? Hope you're okay. Hope you're doing good. So, what's for you in general? Bago mag-end ang March. What's for Capricorn placements? One more. Capricorn. Okay. The Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups. Yan na naman tayo. The Eight of Cups. Some of you, meron kayong pag-iipunan. Something. Okay. Tingnan ko tong Eight of Cups. Ano tong Eight of Cups na to? Meron ditong parang kinakailangan ka, Capricorn. Nangangailangan sila sa'yo. Something like that. The Six of Swords. Pareho yung energy. Eight of Cups, Six of Cups. Some of you, meron kayong kailangang alisan. Maybe baguhin. Okay? Maybe soft side mo. Pagiging available maybe. The Chariot. Meron kang kailangan layuan, Capricorn. Or pwedeng meron ditong lumalayo sa'yo because kailangan. Kahit mahirap. Yeah. The Empress. Yung iba sa inyo, sabihin natin yes, marami kayong kailangang i-cut off situation, tao man, kung ano man. For the better. Apo. For the better. Some of it, may pagkaano like energy vampires. Again, the Chariot. Naka-reverse naman. Yeah, for me, energy vampires. Parang nagiging hinder or mga nagiging hadlang. Kasi pwedeng, yeah, if you're too generous, soft ka, mas uunahin mo pa yun sila. If you're, yeah. Okay? Parang mother or father figure. Unconditional love. Yung kaya mong ibigay. So, meron kang kailangan layuan. Alam mo na yun kung ano. Depende na. Kanya-kanya kayo. So, what else for Capricorn? The Moon. What's with the Moon? The Wheel of Fortune. Parang may higit. sa dapat mong patunguhan, sa dapat mong gawin, this is so general. Kapag meron kang something like urge na gustong gawin, gawin mo na. Okay? Four of Wands. Wag mo nang hayaang ma-confuse ka pa. Some of you, you're being guided. Gina-guide ka. So, nandyan yung makukonfuse ka. Bakit ko gusto yun? Parang ganon. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. Alam nyo, sabihin nating opportunity na to. Okay? So, i-grab nyo na. Some of you, meron ditong nagkaka-interest sa'yo. They really like you. I think you're mirroring each other. Could be a Pisces or water sign. Could be fire. Pwedeng nakakasama mo everyday. Feeling drawn. Yeah. What's with the moon? The Four of Cups. Meron ditong parang nagtatampo. Kasi you're available sa iba. Sila, hindi ka available sa kanya. Like that. Pero, yeah, the Six of Wands. Ikaw itong maraming nabibigyan ng attention whatsoever. Or ikaw itong nabibigyan ng attention. Pero meron ditong parang hindi mo nabibigyan ng attention. Or sila yung parang, hindi ko alam, kung bitter ba sila or what. The bitterness na nararamdaman ng taong to. Kasi pwedeng, yeah, there's this jealousy. Jealousy. And this is like nakatago lang. What else? The Emperor. Ang naririnig ko is ano multitasking. What's with that Emperor? Yeah, the Empress. See, multitasking. Whether kung ano man ang ginagawa mo rin, no? So, I think some of you, kung sobrang dami yung ginagawa, nandyan naman yung sa paganda, no? Nandyan yung pwedeng maging okay. Like, will come to fruition. Parang ganyan. It's like, magbo-bloom, mag-grow. Something like that. No time to waste, like that. Okay? Anong meron dito? That's a pair. The Emperor and the Empress. Growth pagdating sa mga pinagkakaabalahan. Yeah, I'm getting this energy na pwedeng meron ding totally ma-attract sa'yo, same energy, same frequency, the divine masculine and the divine feminine na sinasabi. The Four of Pentacles in reverse, the Four of Swords, the Six of Cups. I'm getting this energy pagdating sa strong connection na pwedeng mangyari in general. It's like ibibigay sa'yo yung talagang para sa'yo in general, whether sa trabaho, sa kung ano man, relasyon, kung ano man. Okay? This is, sabihin nating medyo challenging, no? Pero sa tingin ko magiging okay rin. Kasi ito yung para sa'yo. Sabi ko sa inyo, yung iba sa inyo, parang merong urge na gawin yung something like, yeah, pasukin mo yung ganitong trabaho or ganitong business, whatsoever. May pull na something, energy, na gawin mo to. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong magre-regalo. Diba? Ang simple nung energy, pero yes, kailangan ko sabihin. Ikaw itong magre-regalo sa ikakasal. Yeah. May ikakasal. Okay? Another energy about pregnancy. Or sabihin natin a second, third, fourth child. Okay. So what's for you when it comes to love? Sa love naman tayo, Capricorn. What else? Anong meron? What's for you when it comes to love, Capricorns? Capricorn. Let's see. Love, the Hangman. Naiinis ako dito. May palipad-lipad. Oo. The Hangman. That's Pisces. The Ten of Wands. Somebody is pasuko na. The Ace of Cups. In reverse. Somebody is pasuko na. Pabitaw na. Handa ng ibato ang puting tuwalya. It's like surrendering. What's this? Some of you have to surrender something. Yung mga pinag-hold-onan ninyo. Still. Okay? Yeah, Temperance. Matagal na to. Some of you, meron na kayong mga kailangang i-let go when it comes to love. Marami na kailangang alisan. Kasi masyado ng time consuming. Like, energy. Time, energy, effort. Okay? Lalo na sobrang tagal na. I don't know why. I don't know what. If you're still holding on to something, on to someone, then this is the time. This is the right time to release. Oo. Okay? Kung ikaw itong pinaghihintay at sa tingin mo kailangan mo nang umalis kasi hindi na nakakapagbigay ng maganda sa'yo, then alisan mo na. Meron na kayong mga bibitawan, mga Capricorn, bago mag-end ang March. What else? The Nine of Pentacles. Oh, that's abundance. Some of you, kung meron kayong mga bibitawan sa tingin ninyo na dapat matagal na, at pag binitawan nyo yun, welcome na ninyo ang pag-angat pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay? The Nine of Pentacles, this is abundance. Attraction, tataas. Kasi you're in the Empress in reverse mode, nasa ilalim, natatakpan because of this. Yung una nating nakita. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Swords. You're stuck. So, kailangan mo nang i-release yung sarili mo. Look, para siyang nakakulong. Kailangan mo lang umalis. Okay? Nasa sayo rin yun. Kailangan mong umeffort din pagdating sa sarili mo kung ano man yung mga kailangan mong alisan. I-cut off. Para dito. Sa Nine of Pentacles. This is the pre-Empress energy. Galing ka sa Empress. So, bumaba tayo. So, kailangan nating umangat. Kailangan nating ibalik yung sarili natin sa dating okay na frequency. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles, what's that? Yeah, the Devil in reverse. Your man is going good. Doing good. Doing great. O, diba? The Knight of Wands. Parang nilalaro lamang. O, diba? Yeah. Some of you, meron ditong interested pero hindi nila pinapakitang interesado talaga sila sa'yo. Lalo na kay Capricorn. Ay, like yeah, you're Capricorn. Ba't nasa isip ko all signs? Yeah. Some of you. What's that? Devil in reversed. The Six of Swords. The Hermit. Some of you, mas pinipili mo, no, na parang, sabihin nating single. Yeah, the Hermit. Energy about parang naka-isolate ka. Some of you have to isolate yourself sa mga hindi na magandang energies. Yeah, the Eight of Cups. Past energies. Para mapunta ka sa Nine of Pentacles, which is nasa higher vibration. What else? Yung iba sa inyo meron kayong i-improve pagdating sa sarili. Pagdating sa looks, meron kayong i-improve. The Three of Cups in reversed. What's that? The Seven of Cups in reversed. Some of you, there's this energy of somebody na pwedeng nag-expect sa'yo. Too much expectations ang ibinibigay sa'yo ng taong to, pero hindi mo ibinibigay. Okay? Yeah. Andun yung energy na parang gustong magpahabol ng taong to. Pero ang nangyayari, sila yung nagkikrave sa'yo. Could be a water sign. We have here Earth. Okay? Don't get too hung up sa mga zodiac sign. This could be any sign anyway. Okay? So, sila yung nagpapahabol, pero sila yung nahabol sa ginagawa nila. Ay, nako. Nasa circle of friends mo lang tong taong to, I think. Death in reverse. The Knight of Wands, yeah. This person likes you. The Seven of Swords. Sila yung mismo yung parang nagkikrave, actually. Anyway, so iba sa inyo kasi mas pinipili mo talagang parang focus ka sa iyong pamimera, sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, or sa school, studies mo, whatsoever. You're just avoiding sabihin nating distraction. Anyway, okay lang naman basta alam mo yung dinaraanan mong pathway, alam mo yung gusto mo para sa sarili mo, then yeah, okay na yun. Okay? So, there. Ano ba yung ating ni-reading? Sa love ba yun? Yeah. So, tayo tumungo na pagdating sa person on your mind. The person on your mind. Capricorn, who is this? The person on Capricorn's mind. Okay. The Ten of Wands. The Six of Pentacles. Oh. Ito yung taong hindi ka kayang makuha. Okay, Justice. Hindi naging okay yung pagsasama nyo ng taong to. Andun na sana, pero biglang nagkaroon ng pause. Biglang nagkaroon ng oops. Parang ganun. Meron ditong overthinker, Capricorn. Kaya hindi totally maibigay rin sa connection. yung mga dapat ibigay. There's this overthinker. Oo, nakakonect mo. Gusto ka makasama nito forever, actually. Pero, some of them, they're not ready. Financially, maybe. They're not. Pero gusto kanyang, yeah, they have plans. Parang ganyan. So, tingnan natin ano bang meron sa situation. Capricorn. The moon in reverse. Overthinker. The Queen of Pentacles. Yeah. At ang taong ito, kinukumpara niya yung sarili niya sa'yo. Nakakaramdam to ng jealous. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Cups. Ikaw, pwedeng nakikita ka niya somebody na pwedeng okay, kaya mong gawin lahat. Everything. Kaya may provide. Pero sila hindi. They are trying to mirror you, pero hindi nila kayang i-mirror ka. Mataas ang tingin sa'yo ng taong to. Sa totoo lang, Capricorn. Malayo, mataas ang tingin sa'yo nitong taong to. Ang tingin nila sa sarili nila mababa. Yes. What is their emotion right now? The Nine of Swords in reverse. And the Ace of Pentacles. They want you. They really want you. The King of Swords. The Hierophant, yeah, they're not ready. They're not ready to commit. Some of them, alam ng taong tong secured siya. Or sabihin natin, yeah, malaki ang tiwala sa'yo ng taong to, Capricorn. Malaki ang tiwala niya sa'yo. Alam niya, gusto niya, ikaw na yung gusto niya makasama forever. They want Ace of Pentacles. They want to make an offer. The Nine of Swords in reverse. Actually, andun na yung parang sure na siya sa'yo eh. Yeah, sure. Ayun ang nakukuha ko from them. Pero, yeah, they're an overthinker. Jealous, envy. Anong meron? Pagdating sa next action niya towards you, Capricorn. The Seven of Swords. Hindi pa rin matanggal sa kanya yun. Some of them, masyadong relax. Some of them, meron pong some of you, may age gap kayo nitong taong to. Some of you, ikaw itong sobrang busy, doing everything, multitasking whatsoever, and then sila, parang, yeah, napaka-relax. Relax. Yeah, the Queen of Wands in reverse, there's insecurities, parang may mga ganyan. So, ano tong Seven of Swords as their next action? The Eight of Swords in reverse. Acting na parang hindi sila masyadong nag-iisip dito sa connection na to, pero they're really thinking about this. You're in their head, you're in their head, they're stuck. Ang ipapakita sa'yo ng taong to is like, okay lang sila, pero they're really overthinking. They really love you. Yeah, they see you as the Wheel of Fortune. Ikaw na all in all, like, ang tawag dyan? Parang sa'yo na, lahat na, all. Parang ganyan. Package. Pero sa kanya, pagdating sa kanya, sa sarili niya, parang wala eh. Ang baba ng tingin nito sa sarili nito, Capricorn. They're just releasing yung sarili nila sa mga pag-iisip. They're too immature. They are. They're immature. And the Nine of Cups. Some of them, magiging stress mo pa to. Sa totoo lang. Magiging stress mo pa tong taong to. Kasi they're too relaxed. Some of them, they're overthinking. Lahat-lahat. Kung ano man. Pwede gumawa ng kung ano man to. Cheating, lying, whatsoever. Kasi relax siya sa'yo. And ang gulo ng utak niya. Ang gulo. Kahit sabihin natin, yes, ikaw yung gusto niya makasama forever, whatsoever. Okay? Pero, hindi maalis sa kanya yung siya mismo yung sumasabotahi eh. Sa sarili niya. Dumating sa puntong pwedeng mag-cheat siya, pwedeng mag-lie, pwedeng gumawa everything like toxic pagdating sa connection nyo na to. So, ikaw naman, napaka-busy mo, pwedeng hindi ka aware or sabihin natin parang wala ka lang pakialam kasi you're just doing everything na sabihin natin mas important. Okay? Anyway. So, let's see. Potential outcome. Potential outcome ninyo. Okay. Temperance. So, patience, balance, like that. The Page of Wands in reverse. Okay. The Five of Wands. Yeah. Hindi pwedeng lagi na lang magiging pasensyoso, pasensyosa. Kasi meron ditong hindi matututo. Yes. The Page of Wands in reversed. Hindi pwede yung puro salita lang din kasi. Yeah. Kung kulang din naman sa gawa itong taong to, hindi nila kayang i-mirror ka, then huwag kang bababa sa level nila. If they really like you, they will chase, 'di ba? Yung energy, yung frequency mo. Mahirap umakyat sa totoo lang, pero madaling bumaba. Okay? Hindi po natin kailangan bumalanse lang din sa kung anong meron para mag-click yung connection. Okay? So, ikaw, Capricorn, may chance na ikaw yung nakakapag-isip ng tama dito. Ikaw. Yeah. Sa mentalidad, medyo malayo rin kayo eh. Ikaw mature ka, mag-isip, itong isa hindi. So, doon pa lang, medyo magulo na. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Ang mangyayari dyan, parang walang balance. Okay? Hindi pwedeng palaging mag-iintindihan na lang. Walang mag-grow. Walang makakaintindi. Parang wala kayong pagkakaintindihan kapag ganyan. Yes, iintindihin mo yung ka-immature nung isa. Kasi immature ka. That's BS. No? That is BS. Hindi na magkiklik. I think, yeah, the Empress in reverse. So, anyway. So, yun ang aking nakikita pagdating sa connection nyo. Let's see. Tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. For you, Capricorn. Ang haba naman nito. Hindi ko alam kung may umulit akong reading. I'm sorry. Kung meron man. So, Aries through Pisces again. Thank you sa mga nagla-like. Share and subs. And follow. Thank you. So, Aries. They're open. They have plans. Taurus, they're into you. Gemini. Andito yung energy ni Gemini na parang pagmamatigas. Cancer. They're moving forward. Leo, you're moving on. Virgo, they're invested. Some of them, they're waiting. Expectations, nandyan rin. Okay, nasa na tayo? Libra. Crush. Andyan yung crush. Scorpio. They like you. They want you. Sagittarius, they're open. They want to trust. They want you to trust the process, kung ano man. Capricorn, self-centered. Sana hindi ikaw yun, no? Aquarius, no time for new option, new love. Some of them, they will reject. Okay, or maybe you have to reject this Aqua. Pisces, confused whether to go, whether to let go or not, to let go or hold on. Okay, this is like drama, a drama. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.